studying class 7th. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It's my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. As you know, today is the most important day in our Indian history. Today we are celebrating 79th National Independence Day of India. The independence that we got from after years of struggle and sacrifice of our great Indian freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi and many more. Today we are fortunate that we are born in the independence country and we have our own fundamental rights. Freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it is need to made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Our country will be more powerful and stronger in every field. From the Himalayas peak to Kanyakumari shore, a billion heartbeat at one for one. The rivers flow with the tales of sacrifice and the winds carry whisper to freedom cries. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.